Dissolution of a partnership firm. Today we are going to learn something about the realization account. In realization account, how we are going to account it. We have two sides. One is a debit side, the other is a credit side. All the assets which reflects in the balance sheet, that assets opening balance we are going to write in the realization account on the debit side. On the credit side, we are going to write the liabilities like creditors and bills payable. On the asset side, we are going to write all the assets in the sense debtors, machinery, buildings, what is goodwill, all the assets we are going to write. On the credit side, what we are going to write? The liabilities, outsiders liabilities. So this is the first step. Accounting assets and accounting liabilities. Then we come to the second step where we start recording the assets realized, means the asset sold. We do record the asset sold on the credit side of the realization account. The name represent by bank account. Under bank account, we do write all the assets which is sold, means realized. The same like debtors, machinery, goodwill, building, etc., where the firm has gained some sort of an income through bank. On the debit side, again coming back to the debit side, we are going to record to bank the liabilities which we have paid, the creditors we have paid, bills payable, the payment made. So that we are going to write on the debit side to bank account. That will be your step 2. Here, one more thing we need to understand. If the asset is sold or asset is realized, I told we are going to record it on the credit side by bank account, right? In some cases, the partner will take over the assets. In that case, how we are going to record? The same way we are going to record on the credit side by mentioning by partner's capital. Whoever partner has taken the asset, in the bracket we need to write which asset he has taken. For example, if it is a furniture or if it is a machinery, we write machinery taken over, the amount that we are showing on the which one? Credit side. Likewise, if the partner has paid the outsider liability, for example, the partner has made a payment for the creditors or something for the bill payable or some other expenses which he has paid, that we are going to show it as a to partner's capital account. In the outer column, we are going to mention the amount, whatever the expenses incurred by the partner. So this will be a step 2. I repeat, the step 1, what we have done, we have recorded all the assets on the debit side and all the liabilities on the credit side. Or not all the liabilities, outsider paid liabilities we are going to write on the credit side. When the liability is paid, we are going to write on the debit side of the realization account. When the assets has been sold, realized, we are going to write it on the credit side of the realization account. Coming to the third step. Any expenses like realization expenses or dissolution expenses paid by the firm, that will be accounted on the debit side of the realization account as to bank account. On the bracket, we are going to write the realization expenses. Suppose the same expenses is paid by the partner, we are going to show it as to partner's capital account. In the bracket, we are going to write either realization expenses or dissolution expenses. So this will be your third step. The fourth step, what we are going to do after this, we will total on both the sides. Whichever side is higher, the amount we are going to write on both the total amount. We consider that as a total amount. The balance amount, for example, if the credit side is more, the debit side is total is less, we treat that as a by realization profit, which appears on the debit side. The balancing amount will be distributed among the partners. The heading will be to realization profit. If the debit side is more and the credit side is lesser, with the balancing figure will be realization loss. The amount will be distributed among the partners. So this will be the fourth or last step. So this is how we are going to do a realization account. I hope so, children, you have understood. Thank you.